welcome to my home with me, Monty Renee. Today I'm so excited to share with you guys my shrimp tacos with my homemade slaw. So good, so delicious. I think you guys are really gonna like this one. I am gonna show you exactly what you need to follow along at home with me. So let's get cooking. Don't forget, guys, I will link everything in the description box below. So go ahead and add your olive oil, then your salt and your pepper. And then you're going to add in your mayo. Your carrots. And then your cabbage. And friends, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below and the little bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. And lastly, for this slaw, you're going to go ahead and add in your lime juice, and then you're going to mix that up really well. Okay friends, so that is your slaw. Go ahead and cover this with plastic wrap, put it in the fridge, and let's get started on the shrimp. Just poured it in my bowl here, and then you're gonna need your lime juice, your fajita mixture, or this is a good mixture of like garlic salt, oregano, and some chili powder, and some really finely minced onions, and a little bit of garlic powder. Garlic salt, and then I'm just going to give this a really good mix. Alright guys, so we're going to get cooking. This here is my masterclass pot. I'll find it and link it in my description box below. My temperature is on a low setting because shrimp cooks fast and you don't want to overcook your shrimp because then it gets really gummy. So the first ingredients we're going to start with is our butter, our minced onions, and garlic. So let's go ahead and get started. Drop those in. It's going to be so good. So then once your butter is almost melted, go ahead and add in your onion and your garlic. You just want to brown those just a little bit. Oh my gosh, it already smells so good. Okay, we're going to start adding in our shrimp, but you want to be careful because this might give you a splashback. Just drop that in. So this is where you know if you need to turn your heat up because it'll stop sizzling I'm just gonna turn it up to a medium low and let that cook slowly. So there's a lot of juice on the bottom of this pan, so that's what's gonna be cooking the shrimp mostly. So it's not gonna sizzle as if you didn't have liquid, just oil in your pan. So see, this has juice down there, and that's gonna actually thicken as the shrimp cooks. As this is cooking, you guys, I noticed that I wanted to add a little bit more of my fajita mixture. So I'm gonna add just a douse. That's about a tablespoon worth. Give that a stir. Oh my gosh, this smells amazing. These shrimps are almost done cooking. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna actually turn the heat off, and then I'm gonna cover it and remove it off of the burner, and that's gonna allow the butter and the juices at the bottom to thicken and fully cook the shrimp, because we don't want it to be too gummy. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you a super simple guacamole. So we open your avocado. That looks so good. So I'll have to grab a spoon in a second, but it's alright. So scoop your avocado into your bowl. So you should have had a half of your lime left from your ingredients, and you're probably wondering, well, what am I going to do with this other piece of lime? Well, let me show you. Let me squeeze whatever you have in here. I like my guacamole a little extra limey or lemony, whatever you choose to use. Using lime. And then I have about a tablespoon of garlic salt and my smasher. Could use cilantro if you want to add it in here, and some jalapenos for the spice, but my babies don't like a lot of spicy, so I'm not going to go with spicy. I'm just going to go simple. Yep, that tastes good. That's bomb. My super simple guac. Now I'm going to use this to spread on top of the tortilla. Okay, so I'm going to show you a super simple sauce. I have about 2 tablespoons of mayo in here, and then I'm going to use this chipotle, and we're going to put that in there. And that's 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons. I normally just eyeball it. That's about 3 teaspoons. And then I squeeze some lime juice in there, and then we're gonna whisk that together. Oh my gosh, this smells so amazing already. This like makes the dish. No joke. It is like so delicious. It's like savory. Oh, it smells so amazing right now. And I have this food safe squeeze bottle. So now we're gonna warm our tortillas, and you'll wanna have something to keep your tortillas warm while you're warming them all. And if you don't have a container, you can use a lint-free cloth and just kitchen cloth and just wrap them in that. Oh, maybe I should turn the stove on, huh? Let's warm that up. So when I add my tortillas into my warmer, I fold them so that way when I'm ready to stuff the taco, it's easier for them to stand up on its side. Alright friends, now it is time to put them all together. So you're going to want to take your slaw out of the fridge. That should have been chilling while you finished up everything else. So you're going to get your tortilla and you're going to spread your guacamole on top of your tortilla. Then you are going to add the oh so delicious shrimp that is sizzling still and steaming inside of your pan. Oh my gosh, it is so good, guys. Then go ahead and top that with your delicious slaw. You have one. I'm gonna do a couple more, but I'm gonna go ahead and speed it up for you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up this mess really fast, and we are gonna taste these tacos. But first, I'm gonna pair this with the Michalada. Today, that's just what my husband bought, so that's what I'm gonna use. This clamato already has the Michalada mixture in it. I normally add Tabasco in here, but I didn't have any, so I'm going without. I just went ahead and added 3 shakes of Worcestershire sauce and my Tajin. Friends, I just eyeballed my ingredients for my Michalada to taste, so I decided I needed some more salt and some more Tajin. Be careful when you stir this because it will bubble up, and add your ice. Alright guys, we're gonna give it a taste. Squeeze some lime. Alright friends, if you enjoy videos that are short, sweet, and delicious just like this one, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below and the little bell to be notified every time I upload a video just like this one. And until next time, enjoy your shrimp tacos with your delicious slaw. Cheers! Oh, and your